Siaya.
Jatend migao mochung' ne jotij sirikal Geoffrey Ruku ogolo kiondko e chuny jotij piny owacho matiyo kuonde mongoro kendo mangima tekie e wi mbalang' monego chulgi kuom tiyo kuonde ma kamago. Ruku nowacho magi e seche manodhi pogo chiemo kod gige nindo ne jogo manokale matek e lwet jonjore kod jokuo jamni e kaunti ma Samburu.
On behalf of the government of Kenya, hakuna mwananchi hata moja wa Samburu ama wa eneo ile ingine katika Kenya mzima ambaye ataaga dunia juu ya kukosa chakula. The government of Kenya is preparing and is putting plans to have strategic food reserves enough for each and every person who is facing hunger in the Republic of Kenya. Mombasa, jana nilikuwa kwa Nyeri asubuhi mapema, nikaona tuko na ulegevu. Nitahakikisha ya kwamba we are going to develop an app, a mobile app for each and every public servant in the Republic of Kenya to ensure we are at our workstations and we are transparent and we know everyone, all our seniors, from the president all the way to the tunajua yuko kazini saa ngapi.